Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Social Studies with Miss Sorrentino. Today we're going to learn about one of the most important symbols in American history, the American flag. You ready for it? The American flag is a symbol of our nation. You see, countries all over the world have flags. The flag is the symbol of their country to others. Every nation has different colors and designs, and each color and design of a flag represents different things for each nation. Today, we're going to learn a little bit about the United States and what our flag, the design represents. Are you ready for it? Alrighty. So, why do we need a flag? We need a flag so that people overseas or anywhere else in the world know that this is America. This is the American flag. So the new independent Americans decided they need a symbol to represent us. So on June 14th, 1777, so remember now, on July 4th, 1776, we declared independence, so this is 1 year later, Congress passed the Flag Act. The Flag Act determined that we needed a flag for our nation. The really cool thing about this, though, is now every June 14th is Flag Day in the United States. So it's a day to celebrate the flag. How cool is that? That's this upcoming weekend. The first American flag was sewn by Betsy Ross. Betsy Ross did this in Philadelphia because at the time, Philadelphia was the center of the revolution, and it was the center of where all people would meet to discuss politics. Betsy Ross's house is still there today, and you can go visit it. It's right here. If you go to Philadelphia, you can even take a tour of Betsy Ross's house. Miss Sorrentino has gone. It's very tiny. The beds are so small. So, America had to decide what colors they needed to choose for the American flag. And they were from Great Britain, and Great Britain's flag is red, white, and blue, so they decided to use the same colors. But the colors represent different things. So red represents valor. Valor is a big word for being brave. The blue represents justice. Another word for justice is fairness. It represents that everybody has a fair shot here. So we're brave, we're fair, and white represents purity, which means that we will not go to war unless we need to. Okay? So that's what the three colors are. Red, white, and blue. Everybody say it with me. Red, white, and blue are the colors of the American flag. This was the first American flag. They had to decide what design they wanted to do for the first American flag. So they decided on two color stripes, red and white, and they put 13. The 13 stripes stood for the 13 original colonies. Then they decided, oh, we have now 13 states, so we'll put a star for each state. So 13 stripes at this point, 13 stars, and this is in 1777. However, the United States kept growing. We kept adding more states. We went from 13 to now 50. The flag kept changing. Okay? It kept changing the pattern and the amount of stars on it. Do you see here was a circle with a star inside? Then there was two circles, then there was just a giant star, then there's three circles. And then on July 4th, 1960, the United States added the last star for the last state that we acquired of Hawaii. The American flag was complete with 50 stars, one for each state. You could even count them here, boys and girls. 50 states. We have 50 states in the United States, so we have 50 stars. They kept the 13 stripes, however, to represent the 13 original colonies that fought for our independence against Great Britain. They fought so strongly that they deserve to get the 13 stripes. They're the ones that made us independent from Great Britain, or else we would still be a colony. Today, every day, we pledge the flag every morning to show we are Americans and we love our nation and are loyal. You should all know this pledge because we do it every day with Miss Russo. This pledge is important because it shows that we love our nation. Over the weekend, you will be celebrating Flag Day. June 14th is a very special day. Before you celebrate Flag Day with your family, I want you to draw a picture of an American flag. Remember, 13 stripes, red, white, red, white, red, white, red, white, and 50 stars, one for each state. And remember the colors, red, white, and blue. I hope you have a fabulous Flag Day this weekend. I hope you get a chance to go outside and celebrate that American flag. And don't forget, on June 14th, go outside, say the pledge. Bye, boys and girls. I hope you learned a lot.